Okay, they're asking us to write a conditional statement, an if-then statement uh, for this Venn diagram. And the way that you write this is you say, actually I'm going to type this, okay? You would write this if, and what's the first part? Well, what we need to do is identify what's inside that inner circle, okay? If a figure is a square, then it is a quadrilateral. Okay, and let's just examine that really quickly. Another way of saying that where it's not exactly written as a conditional, but it's true, is all squares are quadrilaterals. Okay, so if you hear all squares are quadrilaterals, what you're saying is everything that fits the definition of square fits the more general definition of quadrilateral. So if something is in this circle, then it is in this circle. If a figure is a square, then it is a quadrilateral.